Hi friends, good afternoon. Yeah, uh, what you can see now is the first panel we installed for the ceiling. So that's what we call here Serratone. So I use this post to support the panel to lift it right to the ceiling. And this temporary beam here is a big role in this job, as well as the other side, the temporary beam. Because what I did, I just put the panel on top of this temporary beam, and then I set this support and jack it. As you can see, I use my car's jack to push this support until it reaches the ceiling. And this clamp here has a big role in this job, just to hold this beam tightly. And this temporary A-frame as well has a big job on this job to hold this temporary beam. So I already screwed the panel, but I still need to wait about half an hour to remove this support, so that the glue will stick it. Yeah. So tomorrow, because already 5:15, so we're gonna set the other side here. Gonna put this panel on this side. Yeah, on this side here. So as you can see, there's a marking 900. So that's approximate location of the panel where one edge will end. It's quite a tedious work, but without the help of my wife, I can't do it. This ceiling panel installation. So after we install everything on the ceiling, that's the time I'm gonna put the cornice on the sides. Pre-painted cornice, I mean. Yeah, that's the last part of this job. So hopefully tomorrow we can put 2 remaining panels. So by Thursday I can install the cornice, and hopefully I can finish everything within this week, so that I can do the other job outside. Yeah, to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, thank you for your support. Yeah, and please keep watching my YouTube channel until we reach the required number asked by the YouTube management. By then, I can help the unfortunate children around the world, or donate some money to save the children. Actually, we already have one child supported in Save the Children, and we need to increase the number. So without your help, we can't achieve our goal. So please subscribe, and this is for the benefit of the needless children, unfortunate children around the world. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye for now.